It's finally Christmas time. I'm here at Disney Springs at World of Disney to check out all of the new Christmas. I got my Christmas sweater on. I got my new mocha from Dunkin'. So let's go check it out. Merry Christmas, everybody. How cute are these thermal Sherpa socks? Super soft, very, very thick. But look at that adorable gingerbread. These are so soft. This is the pattern for the year. There's a matching blanket. This is like a thick, like knit blanket. So cute. Along with the knit socks and blanket, we have matching ears. Christmas sweater. Very cute. And along with that same pattern, so each season they always have something with candy in. For Halloween, they had the little plastic pumpkins. Here is a mini stocking with gummy snowmen and trees inside for $10.99. This is really, really soft fabric too. So cute. There's also an advent calendar. I think those were $14.99. And if you want anything else stuffed with candy, we have a mailbox. And it looks like there's chocolate inside. Peppermint bark. $20 for that. And here's another blanket. So much fun. It is to ride. And it's got the monorail on there, Dumbo, carousel, teacups, Jingle Cruise, the Astro Orbiter, and the train. Really soft. I don't see a price, but my guess is $40 on that. And then the exact same pattern, we have a nice thick ceramic bowl for $34.99. So I'm seeing a theming here with the patterns. So mugs, we have a Mickey. These measuring cups have been out for a couple weeks now, I've seen. Very cute. And there's also a Stitch one on the other side. So cute. And then that same theming of it's so much fun to ride in a table runner. This is nice and thick, kind of like a canvas material. There's the design. Woof, $60 on that. And this is the medium sized, I think. So there's 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. This is, I think, the medium. $60 on that. All right, so I think we've definitely figured out the pattern for the season. So here is the similar one that is on the tote bag and also the ride bowl that we just looked at. Making Christmas Magical. Yeah. And then there's also a plate set. So here's the look of the characters for this year. And then there's also a platter. Chip and Dale light up tree topper. That's pretty cute. It's a snow flake and it lights up, so let's light it up. What's your guess for price on this? Mine is 50 bucks. Oh, 60. So here's their outfits, pink and green. The other vibe of the season is this red. This actually came out a few weeks ago. It's like a soft, fuzzy. They had made some half and half spirit jerseys where half was fuzzy. This one, all fuzzy. It's got the little hidden Mickeys in there. Along with that, you can do a matching cup and then the ears. They also have these in a gold. So there's a red and a gold version of that so far. And then the snowman is back. These snowman ears sold out last year. They're back. And they brought themselves a Loungefly friend. These are so cute. These are the ones I wore most last year. Very soft, super cute. Matching Loungefly. And then the spirit jersey with the Mickey lights. This is the normal thickness of a spirit jersey. On the back we have the gold Walt Disney World. And then there's also matching ears and a Loungefly to this.
Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious.
So cute. Lots of Stitch. We have Stick sweatshirts, Stitch elves. And this is the t-shirt so far for the season. That same ride theme. A funny elf hat with ears. That's pretty cute. And if you don't want to go all out, you can go a little more basic. Another spirit jersey with that same theming except for just in the letters. That's actually pretty cool. Each letter is a different decoration. $5 cheaper on this one, $79. And then we have the kids version of that spirit jersey. Here's Minnie. This is adorable.
I can't imagine it. For Nellie.
Did Mickey and Minnie low-key have a baby and they not tell us? Like, is this the announcement? This is adorable. And here's Minnie again. Her outfit for the season. Mickey's in an elf one. Did you see this one? Here is the tiniest of them all. This one coming in at $29.99. This is kind of like a cheap plastic, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't seem like very thick plastic. Okay, this is a great idea. You can get these personalized over at the Christmas store. That's actually pretty cute. I like that idea. Here we are again with that same theming with the rides. $69.99 for like a little statue, $129.99 for Mickey. Here's the bigger one, $79.99. So this is a lot bigger. And there's that one over there. And then that one is a smaller one. So it Doesn't look like it sings this year, but we do have the glowing necklace for $21.99. And then, of course, the bubble one. We got Crocs. Oh, these are the ears I want. These are so cool. So pretty. Might have to hold on to these. Here's another t-shirt of the season. Everybody in an ornament. Then we have a couple sweaters, and then here's the ears that match both the Spirit jersey and the Loungefly. I'm guessing this might be a tie-on, tie-off, removable bow if you want it to be. Cute buttons, presents. Very like ugly Christmas sweater, but in a good way. It's very spandexy and thick. And then here is, I'm guessing, the sweater for the season, or sweatshirt I should say. It has like a gold glitter to it. It's just similar to the one they had last year. Very cute, very embroidered. The ones last year were very cropped, which I'm thinking this is too, $70 for that. They're just not like long, they're kind of cropped. So there's our outfit. Disney is going a little risque with the midriff. Let's see what else. Pretty sure this is everything. The hot cocoa popcorn I think we had last year also. It's got mini marshmallows in there. And then they did keep out some of the Nightmare Before Christmas for those of you who like to go Nightmare Before Christmas from Halloween to Christmas. Looks like there is a few extra editions. I don't remember this. This is like the one with the pumpkins. It's got little pumpkins inside. $11.99. Have it. So much Christmas stuff is now out here at the World of Disney. The parks will be getting all of this very shortly. I'm sure within the next day all the parks should be fully stocked just like they are here. But what are you buying? What are you most excited for? There's too many things I want. Here's the gold ones, similar to the red ones with the little hidden Mickeys. There's a Loungefly, there's ears, and then there's also Spirit jersey. Looks like they have a pink one now too. Pink jersey with balloons on the back. Pink Loungefly, that's really cute. And they light up. throughout Disney Springs, other stores are also in the Christmas spirit. Check out these really cool vintage Santa shirts from the Coca-Cola store. Joffrey's also has their seasonal coffee grounds out and available for purchase. These all sound so good. I wish they actually brewed these flavors in the store so you could try them. I think that would be a great idea. Well, there's a quick look at some of the items available for sale at World of Disney and some of the surrounding stores there at Disney Springs. It is only the beginning of November, so I would bet there's going to be a release of a few more items as we go into the holiday season here at Walt Disney World. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe because we got a lot more to come. Happy holidays!